gonna help me how to put this. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat! Hello mga mamshi, mga paksi! Good morning! Happy day sa inyong lahat guys! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat-lahat dyan, sa mga nanonood. Dito na naman tayo sa ating munting vlog guys. Welcome ulit sa aming munting vlog ng aming family vlog guys. And hello everybody! Magandang araw sa inyo! Bisaya? Maayong aga, maayong adlaw sa inyong kanan. Ang ginagawa ko ngayon guys ay ina-assemble ko ang anong tawag nito? Basta guys, ina-assemble ko yung parang net for soccer, ba yun yung bowling soccer, dalawa ito guys oh. Kasi magpa-practice kami sa park ng anak ko ng kanyang soccer. So dahil full break na yon, so walang school, so kaya nasa bahay yung mga anak ko guys. So sa aming full break, magpa-practice kami ng soccer para hindi niya makalimutan yung mga yung training sa soccer niya guys. So bumili ako nito para panggamit, mag-practice. Hindi naman ito hindi naman ito mahal. So mas maganda pag ginagamit pag may mga kaya katulad sa mga parang laruan guys. Pero ba yun? Gamit mo para mag-practice ng soccer. So binili ko siya para yun ang gagawin namin for full break. Mag-practice kami ng soccer niya habang sa bahay sila. So ito yung ginagawa ko kayo, nag-assemble kami, ina-assemble ko para makapunta kami sa park after matapos yung assemble ito guys. Guys, na-assemble na namin. So, pupunta na namin sa park. Then, pagkatapos ng park namin, mag-grocery kami, guys. So, plan namin ngayon, pupunta kami sa Asian store. Pagkatapos ng aming practice sa park. So, ayan na, guys. Na-assemble na namin. So, dadalhin ko na ang mga gamit ko para hindi na kami babalik ng bahay. So dadalhin ko na yung mga bag ko papunta sa store. So magdadrive na lang kami. Malapit lang yung park guys, kaso para hindi na kami maglakad. Dadalhin ko na yung mga gamit namin para diretso na kami pa store after ng aming practice sa park. So iyon. So diretso na kami sa Asian store after nito guys. Magpa-practice lang kami mga 30 minutes. And then, magpa-store kami. So, see you guys in a bit. doon kanina sa Asian store. So, ito yung binili namin guys. Gagawa kami ng chicken sutanghon. So, ito na yung oil sa akin. Ano ba yung kaldero or cooking pan na say that in English. Basta sa aming kaldero ang tawag guys pag Bisaya. So, ito yung pinamili namin guys kanina sa Asian store. So, gagawa kami ng chicken sutanghon. You can put this garlic and onion. You can put it at the same time. Watch that your hand kasi baka mapasok ka. You don't wanna burn yourself. So, gagawa kami ng chicken sutanghon guys. Kasi few days na hindi kami nakahigop ng sabaw. Puro bili sa labas, hamburger, mga Mexican food. Yun yung kinakain namin for yung 3 days na guys. Hindi ako nakaluto. So ngayon nakaisip ako na sabi ko magluluto ako na naman ng Filipino food para makatikim na naman tayo ng sabaw. So kanina ito yung pinili namin sa Asian store. So gagawa kami ng chicken sutanghon para makahigop ng sabaw. Yeah, so ito guys. So ang aming So ito yung aking mga ingredients sa aking chicken sutanghon. Of course, chicken guys. Ayan. Nakahiwa na kasi pinahiwa ko na yung buong chicken doon. At itong chicken guys ay parang siya guys, yung parang native chicken pag sa atin. Kasi hindi siya malansa. Ibang klase sa yung parang farm raised, paid, ba yung tawag? Yung hindi siya 45 chicken na tinatawag. So parang native chicken siya guys. Farm raised siya. Kasi hindi maganda guys, parang hindi malansa. Ito yung ginagamit ko. So, at saka ito yung gulay namin, opo. And then, lalagyan ko rin siya ng napa-cabbage ng kaunti. So, hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng carrots. Ito na lang na mga gulay at saka yung green onion mamaya guys. At saka ito yung sutanghon namin. So, ito yung sutanghon. Binabad ko siya guys sa tubig para hindi matagal lutuin pag ilagay. Bilang ng chicken sutanghon guys. Kasi minsan di ba ang iba pag magluto marami silang mga nilalagay guys. So, akin ito lang guys para para madali siya gawin. What happened? No! Kasi, you can stir it, buddy. Don't burn yourself. Don't burn yourself. Stir it, but don't burn yourself. Oh, I know, Mama, but it's kind of dangerous for you. Did you do it? Okay. Gusto nilang mag-participate dito, guys. Ng cooking. Gusto magluto ng Filipino food. Kaya ito, kasama ko sila. Gustong makita kung ano ang ginagawa kung pagluluto o ano ang ginagawa kung food. Ayan. So, wash your hand. Don't put your hand right here kasi. No, this is hot. This is hot. So, the only thing you can hold is that one. Ayun. Okay. Gusto talaga makipagsali sa pagluluto. Ayun. Sige. Alright. Give it to Mommy now. Okay. Inigisa ko na yung chicken, guys. And then, nagpaprito rin ako ng isda. So, may isda rin kami na fried, guys, from doon sa Asian store. Nagpaprito na ako. Okay, you need to cook it now then. You don't like the sound? Okay. Tapos, i-boil ko yung quail egg kasi gusto ng anak ko, itong anak ng lalaki, paborito niya yung quail egg. Kaya nagpabukal ako ng tubig. Kasi gusto niya yung quail egg. Yeah. The chicken, lagyan mo na ng patis. Okay, make sure you don't burn yourself. Put it up your hand. Put it up. Yeah, lagay mo na yan. Okay. Okay. That's it. Okay, that's it right now.
Did I do good?
Yeah. And then, Gretchen, you want the chicken bouillon?
Yeah.
Can I put
a little bit too?
Okay, chicken bouillon. We don't want to make sure, you just put a little bit kasi baka mamaya umalat. Let's just put a small one. If we need to add more of this later, you can put it. But right now, that's it. That's it. We don't want that our broth really salty. No, we don't need that. We don't need to put any seasoning.
Oh, what looks rough?
Baba, careful, careful.
Oh, look at the chicken. Yeah.
Are you hungry now?
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay, let's go make some broth. We're gonna put some water in here, so it's gonna start boiling.
Ooh, I want to put water. Me too.
Okay, I need the cover for this one, buddy. Can you find it right there in the door? We need a cover. We need to put a cover first. No cover of the pan. Right there, the glass. I think the glass, the big one. Can you find the big one? Yeah, maybe that one right there in the bottom.
The other one. Oh, Mommy, keep talking about.
Okay, come on, you can eat. And then I'm gonna cook some rice too.
You need this one?
This one.
Mommy.
Yeah. Okay, just put it right there. There you go.
This big?
Yeah, right there. What is that right there? Let me see what it is. Ayan, bumubukal na. Nalagyan mo ng upo. Ayan. Ayan, namit. Namit, guys, namit. Tikman ko yung sabaw. Hulang asin. Dagdagan ko ng patis, guys. What am I gonna see?
Okay, have some rice.
Okay, your rice right here.
Ooh.
Kain tayo, guys! Ito na yung niluto namin. Ito na yung sutanghon ko. Ayan. So, ayan, magmukbang na naman kami tatlo. Ito yung lunch namin ngayon. At saka ito yung isda kong pinaprito, tilapia, guys. Ayan, pinaprito ko na doon sa Asian yung kanina. And then yung aming dilis. At saka yung quail egg ng anak ko. Ayan, guys. So, kain tayo, guys. Gutom daw sila. Wala yung mister ko kasi nga simple sa trabaho siya. So, kami lang dito. So, ito yung lunch namin. So, let's put some Mimi, we're gonna put some soup right here. Okay, don't put that in your plate.
Mommy, don't chew.
You need it.
No.
Gretchen, you need to eat your veggie and noodles, okay? You want to be a stronger?
I want to get lots of it, Mommy.
You need to be a stronger. You want chicken or you just want broth?
I don't want more.
You just want broth? Okay, alright. You can add more rice. You have to blow it because it's hot, okay? What are you doing with your plate? That's a lot of eggs. You need your broth in this. Okay, you don't want this one? Okay, you don't need to cry. Just blow it because it's hot. Okay. You need to put your soup right here and then your rice over here. What is going on? That's why I give you two plates. The other one is for your soup and the other one is for your... You want chicken?
Mommy.
What's going on, Mama? Hi, Lula. What's happening?
You're right.
No crying. You don't have to cry.
I don't like noodles.
You don't like the noodles?
Yeah, because it tastes up with the white and the white one.
Okay.
Mommy,
Okay.
could you put some?
Do this one right here.
Mommy,
and I'll give you this one later, okay?
Mommy, can you put some of the chicken on here? You do that, Naaman.
So, ang asawa ko kakain nito mamaya, guys. Gustong-gusto na ang yung chicken soup, yung ganito.
Can I have
Yung fish. So, for sure, pag sa bahay siya mamaya, pagdating niya, ito yung i-dinner niya. Pero sila, ang i-dinner nila mamaya, pizza. Magpipizza yan sila, guys, dinner mamaya. At ako'y aalis. Aalis ako mamaya, guys, sa gabi. Late afternoon sa hapon. Mag-meet up ako sa mga kaibigan ko. Lalabas kami, guys. So, lalabas kami, punta kami sa restaurant. So, samahan ko sila. So, iiwan ko yung mga anak ko at yung pamilya ko, iiwan ko mamaya. So, ibigay na nila mamaya ay ang pizza. So, ngayon, Filipino food yung lunch nila.
Mommy, we
Oh, your fish? Fish?
Mommy, we can switch.
Yum, yum. Okay. Alright, you wanna switch? Okay, so I can give your sister. Yeah, so lalabas ako kasama mga kaibigan ko from work. Pupunta kami daw sa restaurant mamaya. Actually, celebrate namin yung birthday ng isa namin kaibigan. So, that was from last week ang birthday. So, mamaya namin i-celebrate. So, iiwan ko yun sila mamaya. So, yung lunch namin ay Filipino food. Ang mamaya yung dinner nila ay pizza.
Can I have your dinner fish?
Oh, you want the little fish? Sure. Okay. You like the little fish, huh? Okay.
There's some little fish?
Yeah. Gusto nila ito guys, yung mga anak ko yung dilis, yung maliit. Kumakain na sila ng Pilipino, hindi sila mga picky. May mga Filipino food na hindi nila gusto, which is, you know, alam naman natin pag mga strong na mga flavor, hindi yun. Pero pag mga ganito guys, gusto ng mga anak ko yan.
Little fish.
Hindi sila masyado, careful, make sure you chew that little fish, okay? So, ito yung aming lunch ngayon. Yung daddy mo. Kakain ito maya. Ayan.
Mommy, I like your food.
You like my food?
Yes.
Wow.
It's so yummy.
Yo, yummy. I want you to, I want you to have the broth. Can you have some broth? Is it yummy? Yeah.
So is this in my
No, this is what is this? Fish bone, not a chicken.
maybe for my fish?
Okay. So watch out, be careful. Oh, mama, nako. What are you doing? Oh my goodness, okay. Parang ka rin, parang manok ka na yan, no? Pinag-ano mo na yung mga dilis natin. Parang manok ka na nag-uukay ng dito. Okay, that's enough, mama. That's a lot. Are you sure you can finish that? Okay? Okay, that's all for now. How about you finish what you have in the plate first? Can you finish what you have in your plate first?
Mommy, little fish.
Okay, that's it. Okay? That's enough now. That's a lot. That's good that you like to eat that, but make sure you finish it, okay? Careful. Careful. Oh my.
Two hours later.
So guys, ready na ako, nakabihis na, paalis na ako para mag-meet up sa aking mga kaibigan doon sa restaurant. So ngayon lang naman kami nakapag-hangout. So actually more ako, ngayon lang naman ako nakapag-hangout sa kanila. Hindi ko natandaan ng last ko, siguro naka-go out with my friend. Dahil siyempre pag nanay ka, minsan, you know, lahat ng panahon eh, sa mga anak mo, lalo pag may mga anak ng mga maliit. So ito lang yung suot ko guys, ayan. Simple lang guys, hindi naman kailangan pa bongga-bongga. So, paalis na ako guys. At dito na tayo mag-end sa ating episode, sa ating vlog ngayon. See you next in our episode. And thank you and God bless. At bye-bye. Ang ingat everyone. Bye! Ayan, ayan, naka-vlog na kayo. Ayan guys, dito na kami, Ito na yung mga kaibigan ko sa trabaho. Ayan, nag-out na kami. Dito na kami. Happy hours with friends. Ayan. Ayan. Wala akong dalang stick ngayon. So, kaya nakahawak ako sa camera. Ayan. O, sige. Ayan na yung mga kasamahan ko dito. Nag-hang-out na yung gabi. So, it's a lady night out, guys. Ayan. Ayan, nasa vlog ko na kayo. Ayan.